open and I got peace. I got a country. I might get too high. I might get too low. I might
the drum. The drum.
I might let it flow. I might let you.
Moody say, can you tell me Moody say? Moody say, can you tell me Judy say? Muma get to Moody say, Moody say. Boy. Moody say, yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. And we're back with another video, guys. Your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with
Kayzano.
Alright, so guys, you know we're reacting to Proud Father. So to this one we've got Holy 10 Munyaviri featuring Young Gemini and MrCandy. Yo, shout out to Young Gemini making moves these days.
Shout out.
The one I she's in the talks in my big dogs.
Yeah.
With their mentions of big dogs, I
don't this year. I don't go feature my big dogs.
Yeah, I was confused even in the conversations. Rutonzi album of the year ukona zitake itoripo ukukombita onana inopi ukukombita onana trap ya
baby.
Yeah, that's to show something. Shout out to Young Gemini.
Shout out.
So I don't want to abanopinda ose achitichi kuna
Munyaviri kuna Holy 10
kuna Proud Father. Yeah. These are my sons. Not just these two, but these are my sons. Not just these two. Let's get into this one, guys. Please go check out the other videos and let us know your favorite song of the track on the album.
Yes,
and let's get it, man. It's so hard to gauge this album, man. I feel like I need to listen from
1 to at the end.
Yeah, because it's just true like it's jumbled up. So the energies are like not matching. So I think if I listen from 1 to 0, I'm gonna go on the storyline. It'll go say.
I might get too high. I might get too low. I might let you ride. I might let it flow. I might let you I might get too close. I might let you sangana na mama. Baby gonna skin Munyaviri. Josie Mumati. I'm open and I got peace. And I got a conscience. Simandi. Baby gonna skin Munyaviri. Did it Josie. I'm open and I got peace. I got a country. I might get too high. I might get too low. I might let you ride. I might let it flow. I might let you. I might get too close. I might let you. Richie, and in a soft life, and in a pay, and in a go shine, and in a key. Daga do nine, and in a pay. Yara so fine, but I got fame. Daga post time, never that
I like the flow,
yeah.
He's keeping it simple. It's simple, but then kabringa young. It's basically something you can write to. That's the best. But on my playlist, nothing too complex, but simple. Something simple. Something that you can
cool down.
Go carry perfect.
Yeah.
I more.
Yara so fine, but I got fame. Daga post time, never that. Daga pondwa wakandi pinya. Manjenda toka daga zitinya. Baby gonna skin Munyaviri. Josie Mumati.
You go kaka hivyo. All kinds of baby.
Madiri.
I'm open. I can be. Ayo.
It's a 5.
Cause something you got.
It's a 5.
It's a young something to bob.
I don't know. Which you to play around, man. You to try it. I'm in love. I'm in love with you, baby. That's what you do. Anyways, guys. Anyways, let's listen.
I'm thinking muna go dedicate. Them go dedicate a song kana sadaro.
Because to you, Argona jump sendira.
I'm open and I got peace and I got a conscience. Simandi, baby, when I skin, Munyaviri, Tiritosi, Mumadi. I'm open and I got peace. I got a conscience. I might get too high. I might get too low. I might
Ayo.
The drum. The drum.
I'm going to live. Live audio. Live. Producer album in Danny was my big teacher up here.
Let's check.
Producer from Chaco.
Let's check.
Young OG.
Okay. Alright, boy.
Yeah.
You got the one mastering by Zimbabwe. Okay. Alright, boy. Let's check another one. Let's see what in the for it. Oh, I see.
But these producers are good.
Because in those later for Mshonga.
I don't know. Because imagine this per energy
live song.
Bruh.
I should pay for my life.
Even though it's cute,
the instruments,
but they have to get the crowd going.
It's crazy.
I want to how much to say ambitions. I want to say that.
It's crazy.
I'm open and I got peace. I got a conscience. I might get too high. I might get too low. I might let you ride. I might let it flow. I might let you
akarondivhura futi akuchichi
anogona apa karikutopindura nebhiti
ndizvo ndikutaura. It's even better with the live item because in the
flow. I might let you I might get too close. I might let you sometime in my mind.
but ndo pane problem yangu yapera. Why?
atoti say atiri hanging foot.
Young Gemini ndirongomunza ari background.
Hana tombopiwo kana vhisi yekuti aimbewo. I think sungefanita 4 minutes. MrCandy upiwo a minute. Young Gemini another minute. Then 4 minutes.
That's the only bad part about this song.
Why
is it short? This was deserving a 4 minute because it's a nice, relaxed, chill song. Why some my beats packet pe song. Mira uzokera uchi overwadzora ma drum kupera kwe song.
What is it? Kuchitongoplayira mwana inokasika kupera ufanira kutongoripita futi.
Pamwe ndo strategy yake.
Angwara.
Pamwe ndo strategy
kuramba uchiripita.
Kuti ramba uchiripita maviews.
Izongopitsira. Okay. Crazy.
Because he's very much capable of giving you a 4 minute song.
Exactly.
But he's opting not to. Why? Because 2 minute song, which means you get enough. You won't get enough per 2 minutes.
Exactly.
What? Apollo song. What she got 2 minutes?
Yezopesera musoro mako.
Wakutongorepeat because hakunaki.
Wakutongotepa iti. This is my favorite song. Comment section mike. Angwara mfeswe. Tushandisira brain. It's okay.
Views.
It's okay. Munhu ane vana tu panda mari. Vana tu.
It makes sense. Because there's no way I'm repeating a 5 minute song.
Yeah. There's no way
I'm repeating a 5 minutes.
But 2 minutes you can repeat.
5 minutes out of 2 minutes you can repeat a 3. To next.
Right, so album ragere mawana inoramba shungoritsokodza rese. Because in total which
means. But I see cheat code here. Cheat code
because the whole album inogonaita kana maybe 40 minutes.
It's 20 minutes.
It's 20 minutes.
24. Which 10 songs.
10 songs.
24 minutes, 10 songs, which basically means each song is averaging 2 minutes 40.
You see now. So yeah, that's what I should end up a number one about Apple Music. Album. You know, album for 24 minutes. It's Shoma. So no number very nice. Yeah, I'll win. Shout out to you, Holly. Kilimanjaro.
For song ya 5 minutes ya Maria wachawana ni one player.
Yeah.
Into one double.
Double.
So which means if you are playing 100, if you got 100 plays, I'm getting 200 plays.
200. Yeah, 200 please.
Okay, so it's a logic game.
Okay.
But anyway, guys, that's it for the video. Comment down below your favorite song of this album, and yeah, yes sir.
Yes sir.